can you give me a bit of background to Auriga?
Yes, we're a European-based company with global client base. We deploy omni-channel solutions, that is to say providing retail banks and ATM deployers customers with the opportunity to operate banking services over multiple digital channels with services that come to them from the cloud. So it's a concept that we've been developing over the last 10, 20 years, and now it's the future, we believe, of digital banking.
That's fantastic. Omni-channel, digitalization, these are all things that people are talking about all the time. What are some of the new trends that you've seen surrounding them? What are some of the new trends that are arising?
Well, many trends. Different parts of the population, different demographics want to bank in different ways. They want to engage with their money in different ways. So we have digital natives, we have mobile-only generation of people. So it's all about giving choice, and it's all about integrating those channels so that somebody can engage with their bank on their mobile. But if that's not available, and sometimes that happens, they can enter a branch, they can use another format. And they can also choose their own journey. It can be customized, it can be specific to them, personalized, and also led by them. So they can make the technology journey through a banking experience that suits them best. And different people and different generations will take a different journey.
Brilliant, yeah, very true. Now, following on from that a bit, there are new technologies constantly arising. What is it that you guys have been moving into in regards to AI?
Well, because we've already delivered over the last 10 years many of the things which are seen as innovations today, like cardless withdrawal, like greeter tablets in branches, we're now able to move on to the really next generation stuff. And that's about using all of the data that we were able to gather. And remember, there's customer data across the customer's behavior across all of the channels. There's data about the cash and its usage and its adoption, about technology and its reliability and its adoption too. So all of that data is really fuel for growth and information for banks in the next series of decisions that they make. So mining that data and using tools like artificial intelligence to help inform great decisions by banks, that's where we're headed. As we think the industry is still in our wake trying to deliver integrated digital services, we think we're ready now for the next part, which is to use the data for our clients' best effect.
Great, that's fantastic. And what is it that's brought Auriga here to branch transformation?
Well, we've come every year for the last few years to this event. It draws together suppliers, and of course most suppliers are our partners as well as being suppliers to our customers. We work collaboratively with many of these organisations. It brings together banks from all over Europe but also all over the world to exchange ideas, and we think the Italian market has some very valuable ideas that we've learnt and we can bring to this session. But also, as we've grown now into many new countries, we're on 3 continents now, we have a message for all of the attendees at this event, whether they're deployers of ATMs, banks, whether they're transforming their branches, or whether they're one of the suppliers to those institutions looking for partnerships. We think we have something to offer to everybody here.
That's great, that's fantastic. And finally, you know, as you mentioned earlier, there are things that are constantly evolving, new technologies, new trends. But what can we look forward to coming up with you guys, maybe in the next couple of months or so, leading into 2020?
Well, again, because we support omni-channel, we need to take that seriously and look at all of the channels. And so our customer queue management system is one of the later additions, and our clients are asking for more and more sophistication in that role of prioritizing customer services, giving the customer the journey that they want. But data, so analyzing business data and exploiting it for business decisions and using artificial intelligence for that purpose is also very much part of it. Artificial intelligence, of course, can take us to places like judging the mood of a client as well as the information that you have about them. So you can make a selling decision or an upselling decision based on not just what you know about the customer, but what you see in their temperament on the day that they're in the branch. And we have technologies that will allow you to make great decisions as a result of that.